Sometimes, when you're working with a spreadsheet, you want to share the spreadsheet with several people for review, but you only want them to be able to edit the cells or the columns that are specific to them. And so today I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have just a quick sample spreadsheet here, and say I only want Mr. Smith to be able to edit these cells. I highlight these cells and I click on Data. Once I click on Data, I'm going to go to Protected Sheets and Ranges. Once I click on that, I have to enter a description. We'll call it Mr. Smith. After entering my description, I'm going to hit Set Permissions. I'll drop this drop down to Custom. I will enter in Mr. Smith's email, and I will hit Done. Now Mr. Smith can edit only his cells but view the whole spreadsheet. You can add multiple people. I'm just showing you with one. I hope this helps. Thanks.